asking good questions. In other words, have an insatiable curiosity and then asking simple but deep questions, sometimes the obvious ones, sometimes the ones that anyone entering a field might just say, hey, this is a dumb question, but. And it turns out that these are some of the deeper questions. In other words, yes, everybody has a ready made answer for that simple question. But then when you probe more and you ask it again from a different angle and you dive deeply and you analyze the answer, you realize that very often we don't actually know the answers to the most fundamental questions. And I think that's what makes Nobel Prizes. That's what makes the best scientific papers. That's what makes the most impactful research. Basically, being able to just come in with an open mind, with a virgin mind, a virgin, viewpoint, unadulterated by the perspectives that have been ingrained through years and sometimes decades of sort of hiding under the rug that we actually don't really know how this thing works, and then just simply say, I'm curious, do you guys all know how this works? Because I don't. And I think that humility to ask the simple questions, I think, is extremely important.